Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to change the channel or choose the best operating channel for your Sennheiser ew100 G3 receiver, which is also called EM100 receiver. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing you need to do is, of course, power it on. Once you power it on, you will get the frequency that's currently the unit is set on. However, this frequency, if you notice on the left side, the frequency is very busy frequency. The RF peaks out halfway, and the AF, RF means radio frequency, AF means audio frequency. The audio frequency is also all the way peaking to the top. That means that this is a very bad channel. You are not gonna get a clear sound from this channel. So that's why we need to choose a different channel. What we need to do is scan with this to see what is the most clear channel available. How do we scan? In order to scan, we go to settings. And by the way, let me the microphone is currently off. Basically, the transmitter is currently off, and that's how we want the transmitter to be when we're doing the clearest channel. So let's go and choose, let's see, easy setup, and current list is the list of the channels available. Reset list means reset the current list, and this is scan new list. This is where you need to click scan new list. When you click scan new list, the receiver will scan 240 available channels between these two numbers. Between 516 and 558, there's 240 available channels. You probably say, well, there aren't enough numbers between those, because it uses the decimal point. For example, 516 point, and then you have additional numbers after that. This is megahertz, so this is millions of hertz per second. So it has vast number of possibilities in between these two numbers. After the scan is complete, the unit will give you the list of each. This unit has multiple banks, like 20 banks and 12 channels on each bank. And as you can see, the bank U has 0 channels free. The whole range of that bank is full with noise, radio noise. So we see bank 1, bank 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All banks have 0 channel. And you know why that is? That is because I'm sitting in a desk full of radio equipment, wireless equipment, Wi-Fi router, and wireless cards, and it has too much radio noise. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce the radio noise and run the scan again. Basically, what I'm going to do right now is turn off some Wi-Fi equipments. Okay, so I turned off all the nearby radio equipment, and I will run the scan again. In order to run the scan again, you have to press the power, go to set, easy setup, hit enter, current list, and go to scan new list and hit enter. The signal looks pretty clean. As you can see, there isn't much noise because all the nearby equipment have been turned off. Even electronic devices such as smartphones and cell phones create radio noise, so even your smartphone shouldn't be close to this when you're doing the scan. Any Wi-Fi router shouldn't be close to this. Any wireless speaker such as Amazon, Alexa, or the other ones such as Google speaker shouldn't be close by. Laptops, computers, iPads, nothing can be close by. See, now bank 1 has 12 free channels. Same with bank U has 1 free. Bank 20 has 12. So if you go up, all the banks have free clear channels, which is beautiful, which is exactly what we want. So now that all of them have clear channels, let's choose bank 1 and hit enter. So in bank 1, each bank has multiple channels, like 12 channels. So in bank 1 you have channel 1, 2, 3, and then bank 2, 1, 2, 3, all the way to 12. So in bank 1, let's choose a channel. Let's choose channel 5. Channel 5 is 522 megahertz. Let's set this to 522 megahertz. Okay. Now we hit the power to exit out, and now you can see 522 is set, and now we have to set the 522 on the receiver microphone, and let's do that. Okay, so on the microphone you turn the power on right here. I turned off all the lights so you can see better because this screen is too dim, so I turned off all the lights so you can see better. Once you turn it on, you have a knob right here. This knob right here is a rotating and pressing knob. It turns and you press it to activate the knob. So let me get some light so you can see what I'm talking about. So now I rotate the knob, and there I am. And what I do right now, I will go to the menu and see where we are at. Pressing it down and go to up, sensitivity, advance, let's go frequency preset, hit enter. Channel U, we don't want channel U, we want a channel 1, remember? Okay, and that is actually bank 1. I'm sorry, that's not channel 1, bank 1, and it was channel 5 is what it was. Let's go to 5, and there it is, channel 1, bank 5. No, the one we had was 522. Let's see which one is 522, because this is not 522. There. So 522 is channel 1, bank 7. Okay, so I hit enter, stored. Channel 1, bank 7, 522. So now I go to menu and I exit. Okay, so now I have 522 megahertz. And if we look right here, we have full signal. Let me zoom out a little bit. I'll show you this. If you look right here, you have 522 megahertz. Same with this guy. Let me press this so you can see. 1 second. Exit. So you can see 522 megahertz here, 522 there. My battery is full. The battery signal shows here as well. And as you can see, my RF is all the way up, and the AF audio frequency is down because I'm not speaking. So now let me speak to the mic. Hello, 1, 2, 3, and look how, as I speak, how the bar goes up, because it has very nice signal. That's how you choose the cleanest signal for your situation, you know, depending on what kind of setup you have and what kind of a radio, how much of a radio noise you have surrounding you. You have to choose the correct channel. And this base station does not only work with handheld wireless devices, it also works with belt packs with a clip-on mic, you know, different types of applications that could be used with this system. All right, thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe.